Hello, in this video I will show you the BCD to access 3 converter details, and I will also show you the Proteus simulation in front of you. Now let's begin. Basically the BCD to access 3 converter is when we give any input, then it will rise the 3 time output from the original input. And here you can see it is the main definition of BCD to access converter. Here you can see, and here you can see, here I give the input A, B, C and D, and here you can see I declare here the output W, X, Y and Z. And now I will make the truth table of this converter. And here you can see, here you can follow my cursor. The truth table of BCD to access 3 converter from 10 to 15 is a don't care. And here you can see, here I declare the truth table of A, B, C and D. And here you can see, here is a W, X, Y, Z. And here you can see it is A, B, C, D. And here input is 0. And here you can see from output, the output is 3. And here you can see the input is 1. You can follow my cursor. And here you can see the output is 4. And in this way our truth table will move. And here you can see from 10 to 15 we here put the don't care conditions. And now I move towards the Proteus simulation. And here you can see, here is our 4 outputs. Here is one output, and here is second output, and next is third output, and fourth number is a Z output. And we will make the 4 circuit for these 4 outputs. And now I move towards the Proteus circuit. And here you can see it is our 4 circuit for 4 outputs. And now I will explain these 4 circuit in front of you. And here you can see in this circuit we use the 4067 IC. Basically it is a multiplexer, and we give the 4 input to this IC. And now, and these 15 pins we will commons in 2 ways, using our graph results. And here you can see it's our truth table result. According to this truth table, our minterm pin number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these pin will be common, and other pins 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be common. And the pin number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 will also be common with the minterm or other terms. And in this way all the pins of this IC will be common separate. And here you can verify your truth table using these 4 inputs. And now I run this circuit, and in this way we will verify these 4 circuits.